Hi, Sylvia.
Hi, Miss Mary.
We are going to read a story today.
We are?
We are going to read a story called The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds.
Oh.
And guess what? It is illustrated by Peter H. Reynolds, too.
It is? Does that mean he drew the pictures?
And it is published by Candlewick Press.
Oh, I want to read that story.
Okay, let's read it. The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty.
Why was it empty, Miss Mary?
I don't know, but she looks very frustrated in the picture. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. "Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm," she said. "Very funny," said Vashti. "I just can't draw."
Why can't she draw?
I don't know. I think she's frustrated and she doesn't feel like she can draw. Her teacher smiled. "Just make a mark and see where it takes you." Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good strong jab. There!
Oh, there's red in the picture.
What do you think that means?
And she might be angry.
Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. She pushed the paper toward Vashti and quietly said, "Now sign it."
Oh, it's just a little dot.
Vashti thought for a moment. "Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name."
Oh, look, she's writing her name on there.
Yes, she is. The next week, when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot. She had drawn her dot, all framed in swirly gold.
Wow, that looks pretty fancy. And it says Vashti on the bottom.
Because she signed it.
Oh. I can make a better dot than that.
She opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work.
I think she's going to make another picture. I think that she wants to try.
I think she does want to try again. Maybe she wants to practice a new way?
Maybe.
Vashti painted and painted. A red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, a blue dot. The blue mixed with the yellow, and she discovered that she could make a green dot. Vashti kept experimenting, lots of little dots in many colors. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with bigger brush on bigger paper to make bigger dots.
Wow, she's making some big ones now.
Vashti even made a dot by not making a dot.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. And she made nothing in the middle and just painted around it and made a circle. Oh,
That's so cool. I know, it is cool. And she's using something really cool. It's a paintbrush on the end of a
stick. She did it on the end of a stick. That's a neat way to paint.
At the school art show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash.
What does quite a splash mean?
It means that it was a very exciting time and everyone was very excited about what she did.
Wow, There's so many pictures. She made a lot of different kinds of dots.
No, do you remember how she was feeling in the very beginning?
She didn't want to make anything.
Oh, and now look what she's made. Vashti noticed a little boy gazing up at her. You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler.
He feels kind of the way she did in the beginning.
Wonder what's going to happen next. Vashti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Why do you think it shook?
Maybe he was nervous.
Let's see what happens next. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle. And then she said,
I wonder what she's going to say.
I wonder too. Let's see. Please sign it. Who told her that in the beginning? Do you remember?
Her teacher told her that.
Her teacher told her that. And now she is telling someone else to sign his picture. And what do you think happened next?
Maybe he started to feel better about his drawing. Maybe he learned to make all kinds of different squiggles.
Maybe you did. Would you like to try something new?
I don't know.
Remember, all you have to do is start with something and see where it takes you.
Well, okay. Hey, maybe we can go make a dot and see where it takes me.
Let's go do that.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Mary Wilson. I'm the Dennis Yarmouth and Barnstable CFCE coordinator working with Cape Cod Children's Place. Today we're going to be having conversations with puppets. This program is administered by Cape Cod Children's Place and is funded in part by a Safe Child Communities grant through the Children's Trust and a Coordinated Family and Community Engagement CFCE grant from the Massachusetts Department of Early Education and Care. We hope that you enjoyed Cape Cod Children's Place virtual program. CapeCodChildren'sPlace.com is our website. Visit our Facebook page for more virtual programs. Our family resource specialists continue to be available to help support you and your family with basic needs or to find a referral to area resources. Please call Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 508-240-3310.